This 2008 Chrysler Town & Amp Country is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Best in class, loaded, stow-and-go seats, DVD player, clean interior, power seats, power sliding doors, power liftgate, rear camera, 6-speed auto transmission, premium wheels, good tires all around, 3.8L engine, low miles only 124k, clean Carfax, cold AC, runs and drives great, warranty available, nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures, Carfax available on every vehicle, must see IT. Call now or text 330-475-4817 for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals for less. When we say best deals, we mean IT. Bank financing available. Use application online or stop by at our dealership. All trade-ins are welcome. We also welcome all out-state customers and airport pickups, CLEORCAK, as well. We can arrange and help with transportation and shipping. Affordable prices. Call now 330-475-4817 for free quote.